Hello and welcome to this how to fix Windows search not working tutorial. From time to time it happens that the Windows search bar stops working. Maybe you can't type in it or it doesn't open at all. Usually this is related to updates, but there can be other causes as well. In this tutorial I'm going to show you a few methods to hopefully solve this problem. In the first method we are going to restart the Windows File Explorer. File Explorer is responsible for showing files and folders on your computer. To restart this, right-click on the Windows taskbar and select Task Manager, or use the keyboard combination Ctrl Shift Esc. Scroll down in background process until you reach Windows Explorer. Select it and click on the Restart button. Sometimes this is enough to fix problems with Windows Search, so after doing this you can try if this solved the issue. In the second method we are going to use the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. To do this, use the keyboard combination Windows R. This opens a run window. Here you can enter ms-settings and end with a colon. Click on Update and Security. After that, click on Troubleshoot on the left of the settings menu. Next, click on Additional Troubleshooters. In this window, you get an overview of all of the available troubleshooters. Scroll a bit down and select Search and Indexing. Click on Run the Troubleshooter. Here you have a few options to choose from. In this tutorial, the logical choice is Can't start a search or see results. You can also check Search or Indexing is slow. Click on Next. Sometimes the troubleshooter will ask this a second time. If so, select the same choice. In my case, it suggests trying to repair Windows Search as administrator. So I'll select this option and wait a short bit for the repair to complete. It's possible that you have a different suggestion. The best option is to go along with what the troubleshooter says. Hopefully the Windows 10 troubleshooter is successful in fixing the Windows search bar. If it didn't work, continue on to the next method. It happens that wrong settings are set for the Windows search bar, or that the search service isn't running. We can check this by going to the services in the Windows taskbar. Use Ctrl Shift Esc if you need to reopen this. Switch to the Services tab. Here you can click on Open Services. Scroll all the way down until you reach Windows Search. First, make sure that the status is set to Running. If it isn't, right-click on it and select Start. Otherwise, right-click on it and select Restart. Before we test if the search bar is back to normal, right-click on it once more and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. After that, click on Apply. You can test if this fixed the Windows search bar. Ideally, you restart the PSC as well. If it didn't fix the issue, continue with the next method. Next, we are going to rebuild the indexing feature. It might be that this is the cause that Windows Search isn't working properly. Use the keyboard combination Windows R to open another run window. Type in Control Panel and hit OK. Change the View By to small or large icons. After that, search for Indexing Options. The Indexing Options menu opens. Click on Advanced. This opens a new window. Here you can delete and rebuild the indexing options. Keep in mind that this can take quite a bit of time, especially if you have an older system. When you are ready, click on the Rebuild button. A warning from Windows that this might take some time. Click on OK. Wait for this to complete. You will know that it is done once it says Indexing Complete at the top. You can now try if the search bar is fixed. We have one more thing to try. In the last method, we are going to use PowerShell to redeploy Windows packages, among them the package for the Windows search bar. To do this, click on the Windows Start icon. Scroll all the way down until you reach PowerShell. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. The first command to enter is PowerShell -executionPolicy Unrestricted. You can copy this command from the description. After entering this, you can enter the second command. You can also copy this from the description. It's possible that you receive a few error messages while running this command. You can ignore them as they are related to resources that are in use for certain packages. It doesn't matter that these aren't reinstalled. This concludes our How to Fix Windows Search Not Working tutorial. Hopefully your search is back to normal. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Be sure to subscribe if you want to watch more Windows or software related tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.